Hello! Today I'm going to be showing you guys the Ardruino oscilloscope. Now the first thing I got to do is go in here and select COM5, and just to point out real quick, this is the line that was giving me problems. Just for demonstration purposes, to show you what the problem was, I'm going to go ahead and upload this code. Okay, and now that it's done uploading, I can go ahead and open up the program that's going to run this, which is this program right here. It is a Visual Studio program, and the files of this aren't exactly open source, but it does allow me to log files to a common separated value file. So let's go ahead and select the port, and you see that it's only giving us one string of numbers here. So we're going to go ahead and open up the oscilloscope by going to oscilloscope and selecting channels 1, 2, and 3. And this is what it pretty much looks like. Give you a good idea of what that looks like there. Alright, so we can go ahead and adjust our view with this. And I like to adjust it until this says 1, because 1's a good number. It might be a lonely number, but it's a good number. And this will bring it down, but you could also do that with the scroll. Alright, so now that you see that it's only giving you one value, and it is roughly about 1 volt, because 217 is just a little bit more than 1 volt, according to my research and calculations. But I'm going to go ahead and stop this. Stop that. And now I'm going to go ahead and change this to 6. Now, you might notice that I have a microphone hooked up here, and it is hooked up into analog pin 1. The one that was recording on was analog pin 0. So now by changing this to 6 and uploading it, it should open up all the analog pins from A0 to A5. Now that that's done uploading, we're going to go ahead and open up the serial oscilloscope program. We're going to select COM5, and you're going to notice now that there's more numbers going across. So we're going to go ahead and go to channels 1, 2, and 3. And now you see that there's this green line. This green line represents channel 2 or A1 in this instance. So every time I tap on this, you're going to see a spike in that green line. And this is a microphone, which makes for a pretty good input with this device. Alright, well, I about to say this concludes the demonstration. Thank you for your time.